Have you ever been to somebody's website and you notice that usually in the testimonials section, they have pictures of their testimonials cropped into little circles. So basically they got a portrait in a circle and you're wondering how on earth did they do that, and it looks really cool. So you want to do that yourself. It is actually super simple and it's free using a software called Canva, and I'm going to teach you how to do that in just 1 minute. If you are a small business owner looking for marketing tips, you want to hit that subscribe button and bell notification because I release new videos every single week, so you don't want to miss a thing. Now we're going to jump into my computer and I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so here we are in my computer and we are in Canva. So to get a Canva account, all you do is go to canva.com and sign up for an account, and it's free. All right, so what you want to do is go over here on the right and click custom size. You're going to select 1000 by 1000 pixels. Make sure it says pixels and not inches or centimeters. And then say create new design. The next part that you want to do is over on the left side, you want to go to elements. And then you want to select frames. You can do see all just to see all the different ones. The circle one is up here. So all you have to do is drag and drop it over. All right, so it's a little bit smaller. So what you want to do is just get it to the corner and then pull on the bottom and make it across the entire section. Now, when you know that it's centered, what will happen is basically you'll see these purple lines, and that way you'll know that it's more or less centered. So just click off of that for now. And next, what you want to do is upload a photo that you want to put into the circle. So you want to go to uploads and upload media, and then you'll go into your device and basically you'll find a picture from your computer that you like. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I have already gone ahead and uploaded an image, and so all I'm going to do is drag it and drop it by clicking on it, dragging it to the circle and releasing the mouse. Now if I want to recenter it, all I have to do is double click on it and drag it and make sure that that's centered, because you can move it around just by clicking on it and dragging it around. So that looks pretty good. And then click off anywhere. Around the circle is going to be white. So if your website is white or wherever you're going to place this, that's okay because it's just going to blend in. However, if it's a different color, then you'll have to take this, click on it, and go over here to change the color. Otherwise, it's good to go. Now, when you download it, what you want to do is just name it. And then go over here to the right and click download. And you want to download it in PNG, which is the highest quality available. Now, if you do the paid version for the Canva account, you can do a transparent background, which obviously makes things a lot easier. But again, there's ways around it, so you can still do it with the free account. And then you click download, and this will download the image to your computer. And that's it. If you enjoyed this training, please hit that like button below. And for the next training, I'm going to leave a link right over here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.